Captain America sprints through the rubble and hurls his shield at Thanos. The shield spins fast, bounces off Thanos' gauntlet, and snaps back to Thanos powers up his gauntlet, sending a blast. Captain America dodges and lands hard. Captain America rushes in, swinging, hitting Thanos with 2 quick strikes. Thanos knocks Captain America backward. He stands up, wipes his lip, and lifts his shield again. Captain America braces himself, shield ready. Thanos raises his glowing gauntlet over him. Captain America looks up. Concrete falls and lands on Thanos. Thanos staggers, dust. A construction worker waves from above. Captain America throws debris at Thanos, who blocks. Captain America sprints forward and leaps, smashing his shield down. Infinity Stones. Captain America grabs a glowing stone, winks at us, shield ready, as Thanos stares.